On this episode of Joe's Big Cat Kingdom, a group of volunteers from the Peter Emily International Veterinary Dental Foundation have stopped by to provide these big cats with much-needed oral care. And we have a new update about the baby Bobcat that was rescued last season. The Exotic Feline Rescue Center was founded by Joe Taft in 1991 to help protect abused and mistreated exotic felines. With the illegal trade of these big cats increasing at an alarming rate in North America, the center has grown from 3 big cats and 15 acres to over 200 exotic felines and more than 100 acres of property.
I'm tired, I'm angry, I'm worried, but I'm never bored.
Welcome to Joe's Big Cat Kingdom.